Hello everyone, we are here to do the experiment of experimentation with diodes. So first of all we will do the experiment of Zener diode. So we will see the Zener diodes forward characteristics and its reverse bias characteristics. So let's start. We will do it on this experimentation with diodes kit. So let's start. Here we have a Zener diode and we have connected the voltmeter and ammeter across the Zener diode. As we know that we have a DC ammeter and DC ammeter is always connected in series. So I have connected it in series across the same wire and we have a DC voltmeter and this wire voltmeter will always connected in parallel, so I have connected it parallel across the Zener diode. Now we will do the experiment for its forward bias characteristics because I have connected the Zener diode in forward bias. So let's start to do the experiment. And here we have a potentiometer knob. It is a P1. It is known as potentiometer knob. Potentiometer is a device which can control the voltage across the any device. So we will set the voltage by moving this potentiometer to 0.1 volts. So let's do it. Here we have a voltage approximate 0.1 volt and corresponding current value is 0 amps, and then we will increase it to 0.2 volts and again we have 0 amps milliamps, and then we will increase it to the 0.3 volts and still we have 0 milliamps. Then it's 0.4 volts, still we have 0 amps. Now 0.5, still 0, yes, and now we have 0.6 and now we have 0.1 milliamps current, and as we increase the voltage corresponding we will get the increased current in milliamps. Now you can see now it is increasing frequently, and now the voltage has reached at 0.7 volts and our current is increasing. It has now increased up to 1.1 milliamps. As our voltage has become stable and our current is increasing. Now it is acting as a voltage regulator. because our voltage is becoming stable and our current is increasing. So it has its maximum current, which it can draw is 28.4 milliamps. So now we have see the experiment of Zener diodes forward bias characteristics. We can draw the curves by noting the readings of the currents and the voltages. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. Now we are going to do the experiment of Zener diode for its reverse bias characteristics. So here we have Zener diode and we have connected it in the reverse bias. For reverse biasing we have connected ammeter and the volt meter accordingly. So now we will move this potentiometer to adjust the voltage across the Zener diode, and we will note the readings of the ammeter and the voltmeter accordingly, and we will draw the curves with the help of the values of the voltages and the currents. So let's start. We will move this knob and we will increase the voltage across the reverse bias Zener diode. So approximate we have 0.1 volt and we have a 0 milliamps current. So you can see I am increasing the voltage in reverse bias. Still we are getting 0 milliamps and our voltage is going to increase rapidly. And it has now 4 point something volts, 5 volts, but still we are getting 0 milliamps. But now we are increasing in current value. After 6.7 volts we are getting some current in reverse bias. Now at 6.7 volts we have 0.5 milliamps current, and now as we are increasing the voltage, our current is also increasing. You can see here. And now it is going to increase rapidly. So we can say that it is going to the reverse breakdown, or we can say that Zener breakdown. And now we have completed the reverse bias characteristics experiment of Zener diode. Thank you.